Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, my countertop, it has like a 3 spot of rust. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Lime Away that I got from a 99-cent store. It says remove lime, calcium, and rust. So we're going to put this to the test for only 99 cents. So I'm going to check it out to prove you guys to see if it's going to work or not, or if it's going to be a fail. So I'm going to pour this out real quick. And I'm just going to dab it on there. And I'm just going to let it sit. And then we'll be back to try to clean it. Because normally you want to let it sit when it has a rust like that. So we'll be back, and then hopefully it's going to remove it with the 99-cent Lime Away. If not, I'll try to use the vinegar with the baking soda, clean naturally, or those citrus cleaner. So we'll be back. Wow, guys, so after I let it sit for I don't know, I think it's an hour or so, and then I wipe out with just a tissue, and all the rust is gone already, so I can't believe it. So anyway, so it proves that this cheap brand Lime Away, it works. This one works with it says destroy lime, calcium, and then rust caused by hard water buildup. And this one, make sure you get this same brand. This is the thick gel formula, but it says toilet bowl cleaner. So I'm going to use this on the toilet bowl because on the rim of the water color of that, there's like a yellow calcium buildup. So, but I'm gonna drain all the water out and let this Lime Away sit on the rim of the line around the toilet bowl, and hopefully I'm gonna let it sit for longer hour. Sometimes they say to put like a toilet tissue paper around those lines to let it soak, because the toilet bowl is like slanted. So if you put the Lime Away around the line, I think it might drip downward. So I think the tissue paper will avoid from that dripping down or waste your thick gel. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. And please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any comments on below. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.